going to try to make the, use the leftover pineapple and cilantro and make pancakes, pineapple upside down pancakes. We're going to try to make something similar to it. This is just the easy mix. You just take the cup of pancake mix, 3/4 cup of water. I'm going to get a mixing bowl. I guess that one will do. Get that ready. Get our pineapple. The little thing for the pineapple. The mixing bowl, probably a smaller one. Too small. Okay, we use this one. Maybe not.
I love you. What are you trying to mix in it?
The sugar. I guess I can use the pot.
The pan, yes. If you're going to heat it, just put it right in the pan, if that's what your intention is.
We're going to turn it on a little bit below medium. We don't want it too high. We're going to go ahead and pour these in here. This is pineapple and cilantro. We're going to go ahead and just do the whole bowl. Then we're going to take and add 1/3 cup of sugar. Sweet. And just a little bit more there. For good measure.
I love you.
I love you too. While that heats up, we're going to go ahead and stir this and then get the pancake mix ready. Cook these down. And it's gonna be kind of syrupy, so we're probably gonna end up adding a little bit more sugar to thicken it up, the syrup up a little bit, because it's very liquidy.
And water.
And add a little bit of water. That's so it doesn't burn the bottom of that pan. That was 3/4 cup of water. Now we're going to take your 3/4 cup of water, your cup of pancake mix, we're going to get a whisk.
Other drawer, honey. To the left.
We're going to get a whisk. The first one I grabbed. You don't want to, pancake mix is actually really easy. Okay, see if pancake mix, it turns out to be a little thick, like that. At first it'll turn out really kind of thick. You just keep on stirring. And it'll thin out a little bit, like it's doing. Don't put too much in there. If you put too much water, put a little bit more mix. You don't really want to over stir it, because it won't come out right if you over stir it. And it should stick to the whisk, like so. one important thing to know is to grease your pan, of course. So let's give that a little stir. Leave that on low. Let it cook. Gives us enough time to get the pancakes started. Turn it up just a little bit.
Man in kitchen.
No good.
No bueno.
No bueno. So let's turn that up. Let it get pretty hot.
Like you.
Ah, you're flattering.
Uh-huh.
Very flattering. Oh. Elegant. Elegant.
That's so attractive.
You want to get this nice and cooked down. Notice I haven't turned on the pancake pan yet, because you want to cook this down, because pancakes cook pretty quickly. Mmm, smells like pineapple and cilantro and sugar. It's hot.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's boiling. Adding a little more sugar. Pancake batter is ready. You're probably not going to want to try this, but I will.
It's all you, baby.
I will gladly eat it.
You just carry on with your bad self. I'll watch.
Alright, as the pineapple cooks down, slowly but surely, it will get softer and softer. Now we're going to puree this in the blender later. Get the butter. Butter, oil, grease, that's whichever you decide to use to grease the bottom of your pan. If it is a non-stick pan, I would highly suggest greasing your pan. The wife would be very, very happy if you would do that.
Yes, you would.
Because if you don't, some big old girts. Don't let it stick to the bottom of the pan. Because there you would also have regrets.
That's right. Happy wife, happy life, right?
Yes. Sure, all you married guys out there know that motto. It's an age-old thing. I'm going to add a little bit more water to help it cook down a little bit better. Take your mix from the bowl to your measuring cup. Makes it 100% easier to pour. The sturdiest. You see the pineapple has changed texture, more softer, mushier, not quite as firm and fibrous. nice. So now that it's cooked down, it's been rendered to soft pieces, like that. It's really soft, starting to get light in the color. We're going to let it simmer. And now we're going to take our pancake mix and start making pancakes. So let that cool and simmer. All it's missing now is the sponge cake or something good. Maybe pancake. Gonna put it on medium heat. And we're gonna go ahead and not pour our mixture in. We're gonna let her melt. Get it nice and hot in here.
Oh.
Don't worry, the AC's on. Pancake. Yeah. You don't want to pour too slow, because if you pour too slow, guess what happens?
What happens?
Parts of it will cook quicker than the other parts. Yeah, oblong pancakes. Alright, you're waiting for bubbles. See the bubble?
Mm-hmm.
See the bubbles?
I see bubbles.
And when the bubbles like almost completely stop, that's
Mm-hmm.
when you flip it.
Okay.
Sizzling, baby.
Yes, you are.
Lovely. Flipped it too soon. That's okay. Don't press the pancakes down. We're not making like grilled cheese or anything. Just meat. Pancake. Bun. Sizzling.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Perfectly cooked.
Good looking, and he cooks too.
Yeah, it also kind of burns a little bit.
It's the butter, honey. Has a low smoke point. It'll do that.
Let it suck it up. Mmm.
Mm.
Toasty. Very nice. Number 4. Pancakes, we're going to make sure this is cool enough to pour it inside our blender. That's the new name for it. The blender. Cook down very nicely. Everything's cooked good. So we take, we put some in the blender. The only reason we do this because it's a little warm. Kind of cools as it sits in there. what you think.
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Looks good, huh?
So we take it. I know it's not too hot. And we set it to high puree. Never puree, right?
Hmm.
Yep,
Happy with it?
that's puree. Huh?
You're happy with it?
Yep. Take the pancakes. Take one. Probably more than that. We have plenty here. Take two. And then take three. We take it for the pineapple puree over it. And you let it seat. It's the glob.
No, it's my honey's pancakes.
Pineapple sauce pancakes. They're my favorite. Actually, it tastes like upside down pineapple cake.
That was what you were going for, right?
Exactly.
Nailed it. Good job, hon.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
What's it taste like?
Pineapples and pancakes. It's good, huh? You did a good job.
It's like really nice.
I'm impressed.
Will you be impressed if you eat the whole thing?
Definitely.
Sorry.
Not gonna eat the whole thing?
Yeah, I am.
Good.
Why?
You're supposed to.
Well, it was delicious. May not have looked it, but it was delicious. The cilantro really did nothing. It just basically cooked out of it. That was actually pineapple left over from a previous recipe, so decided to make use of making a pineapple sauce, kind of like pineapple puree. Basically, it was pineapple puree over pancakes. Tastes nothing like pineapple upside down pineapple cake. not what I expected, but it was good.
It was good.
Nevertheless, it was good. I will use sponge cake next time. Thanks for stopping by.